Excel 2013 added a new tool called Flash Fill that helps you, well, fill in data in a flash. In this very simple example, I want only the person's last name in column C. As I start to type the second person's last name, Excel catches on to what I'm doing and provides a preview of the Flash Fill capability below in gray. When I press Enter, all of my last names are automatically populated. You can also use Control+E to use Flash Fill. If you start to type in numbers, you'll notice that Flash Fill provides suggestions but quickly retracts them, so you'll have to use the Control+E command to get Flash Fill to fill in the numbers. The On-Grid menu allows you to undo Flash Fill, accept suggestions, or select the changed cells.